Alright, take two of the vlog. Alright, so right now, this is the vlog right now. So this is what I do every day. So I play on the piano every day. See, I'm a really good musician, and this is what I was painting. I was painting an alien, and he's smoking a cigarette that was laced with crack. So, anyways, guys, alright. Here it comes. Greatest music piece ever made. Alright. Oh, and this here, FYI, this is the medication I take because I'm a schizo. I can't hold it. Hold on. Alright, oh, Harry Potter. Alright, here it goes. Alright, that's it. That's it for the vlog. Alright, see you guys. Make sure to dislike and also take a shit.